Hello and welcome to the maintenance videos. Now during these videos you're going to get to see a lot of Mark, so I thought it was only right you got to see a little bit of me before you went through this maintenance course. If during the course of actually taking part in these maintenance videos there's something that's missing, then please drop us an email at info@cycleretreats.com so that Mark can cover it off for you. Or it might be that actually you've got a niggling problem on the bike that's just not getting sorted and you want to do it yourselves. Then drop us an email and we'll arrange to have a FaceTime call or a Zoom call with you where you and Mark can go over the problem with your bike and get it solved. Enjoy seeing you all soon. Bye guys.